to MJ's Academy. This is our new 5th standard IPM series, and this is our question session on our lesson, that is angles. So let's start. So here it is our first question. Two angles are equal and complementary, and we have to find their measure. So first we should know that two angles are equal and they are complementary. Means let us take our angle as x. Let the angle be x. Let us suppose our angle as x. So our angle is equal to another angle. Means there are two angles which are equal. So x plus x. And what is meant by complementary? Complementary angle is that their sum should be 90 degree. So x plus x is equals to 90 degree. So x plus x, we know that it is 2x, which is equals to 90 degree. Then here this 2 would go on this side, which would get it to division. So x is equals to 90 by 2. 90 divided by 2 is just 45. So x is equals to 45 degree. So our measure of angle is 45 degree. So this is our next question. What is the angle between west and northeast? So here in this we have to take our compass in our mind and see where the angles are. We can see this is north and this is south, and we can see this is west and this is east. So we have our west direction, and northeast, we know that northeast is just between north and east, and we also know that it makes an angle of 45 degree. So here we have to find the angle between west and northeast. So where is west? This is one ray of west and this is one ray of northeast. So let us take this two rays on a different note. So let us take, this is our west and this is our northeast. So and we also will make a north sign here, north, and we know that north and west make a 90 degree with each other. This is west, this is north, they make a 90 degree with each other. And we also know that this northeast makes 45 degree with both the sides. So we also know that this angle is 45 degree. So what we have to do here now, we have to just add these both angles to find the total. So let us add both the angles. So 90 degree plus 45 degree, which gives us the angle as 135 degree. So the angle between west and northeast is 35 degree. So this is our next question. We have to find the supplementary angle of 98 1/4 degrees. So we first should know that what are supplementary angles. As we have learned in our first lecture, that supplementary angles are those angles which make the sum as 180 degrees. So we have one angle, that is 98 1/4 degree, and we have to find the other angle. That is just very simple addition sum. That is 98 1/4 degree plus x, that is our another angle. They make total 180 degree. So we have to just subtract this 98 1/4. So let us do it. So we'll write x is equals to 180 degree minus 98 1/4 degree. So here first this is a complicated subtraction. So first we'll just subtract 180 minus 98. Let us do that. 180 minus 98. So after doing this maths, we get the answer as 82. So let us write here 82. So what about this 1 upon 4? So now we'll subtract 1 upon 4 from this 82. The math becomes simpler. So in our fractions lesson, we have learned simply that this is just 81 3 by 4 degree. So we can see that the supplementary of the angle 98 1 by 4 is just 81 3 by 4 degree. So this is our next question. One of the angles of linear pair is 90 plus x. We have to find the other angle. So linear pair is a straight angle, and there are pair of two angles in a straight angle. Straight angle is just 180 degree. So here one of our angles is 90 plus x, and we have to find the other angle. Here x is already used, so we will use another symbol, that is a, for the angle. So the total is 180 degree. So here we will directly use arithmetic equation and to subtract. So here a 180 degrees here. This 90 plus x goes on this side, it would become subtraction 90 plus x here. Yes, so here after opening this bracket, 180 minus 90 minus x. So 180 minus 90 is 90. So we can write here as 90 minus x. So we got our answer to angle A, that is the another angle of the linear pair, as 90 minus x. So this is our next question here. So in this figure given, this is the figure which is there, angle BEC is 73 degree. We have to find the sum of angle BED, this angle, CEA, this angle, and AED, this angle. We have to find the sum of these three angles which are there. So here in this figure, let us draw the figure here. After drawing the figure, we can see that here the angle is 73 degree and there are two lines intersecting. And as we have learned in our lecture, that when two lines intersect, the angle that are vertically opposite angles start to form. So here 73 degree is angle BEC, and the vertical opposite angle doesn't have common arms, so this, and has a common vertex. This is a common vertex. So this angle which is there, angle AED, is the vertically opposite angle of BEC. So this is also 73 degree because they are always equal. So this is one angle that we have found, this one. The next angle we have to find is this one. So this one would be marked bigger one. So here we can see this is our line AB. So in this line there is 180 degree because there is linear pair in a straight angle. This is a straight angle because this is a line. So as it is a straight angle, one of the angle is 73, the other angle would be just 180 minus 73. Yes, because the total is 180, so we just subtract 180 minus 73. After subtracting, we get 107. So this angle is 107 degree. We found another angle. The next angle we have to find is this. So we have learned when two lines intersect, there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. One pair we have found is this 73, 73. Other pair would be just equal to this. So it would be just 107 degrees. So we have found our three angles and we have to find the measure or the sum of these three angles. So let us add them. So let us write 107 plus 107 plus 73. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 7. 1 gets carried over. 1 plus 7 is 8. 287. So this is our sum of angle BED, angle CEA and angle AED. So this is our completion of this lecture, and please subscribe, like and share to MGS Maths and Science Academy. After subscribing, you are supporting this academy to make such new and interesting videos. So please subscribe.